Okay, do you guys know where we're at?
Disney World.
No, we left Disney for somewhere new.
And we're a hotel.
Yeah, we are at a hotel.
Don't know. Hotel.
Maybe Aunt Laura can go open those curtains for you, and then you can figure out where we're at. You ready?
Count to three.
Let's count backwards. 3, 2, 1.
At the beach.
Where? Yeah.
At the beach. We're at a pool. Hey, a pool beach.
A pool beach.
Yeah, that's
You get both.
a good name to call it.